Hey guys, it's Warren here, and today we're making a vegetarian biryani meal prep. This is packed full of vegetables with a real kick to it, and the best thing of all, it's really easy to prepare. Firstly, chop one large potato, one peeled carrot and half a cauliflower. Now take one medium-sized onion, cut the ends off, slice in half and peel, then slice into half moons. Now take an oven dish with some oil in, preheat it to 180 degrees centigrade, 350 Fahrenheit and pour in the chopped vegetables. Give them a stir to make sure everything's coated in the oil, then place them back in the oven for about 20 minutes, giving them a chance to roast up. Give them a stir halfway through cooking, then remove from the oven. Now add 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree and 200 grams of white rice. Add 70 grams of chopped washed green beans and top the mixture up with some boiling water with a vegetable stock cube dissolved in. When all the ingredients are just covered in the stock, season, then mix everything together. When you're happy everything's combined, put some foil on top of the biryani, then place back into the oven, still on 180 degrees centigrade, 350 Fahrenheit, for a further 20 minutes, stirring halfway through cooking. After the 20 minutes, take your biryani from the oven, remove the foil and give it a stir. Then take 4 food-safe containers and split your vegetable biryani between them. Also split 30 grams of crushed cashew nuts between the 4 containers, along with some freshly chopped coriander and, if you want even more of a kick, some freshly sliced red chillies. Then store in the fridge for up to 4 days and enjoy this vegetarian meal prep either chilled or reheated. Now, if you loved the look of this meal prep recipe, remember to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you again on Thursday in my next video. Remember to subscribe to be one of the first to see it.